interesting feature included with Team Photo Composite. This is the feed masking option. As you can see here, I've cleaned the composite just to have one row and a smoke clip art. This smoke clip art is here at bottom, and now I will change it to be in front of the players. So I switch between seeing icons for clip arts and players, and then while hovering the mouse over the smoke clip art, I can click at the Z order to change it to put it in front of all players. But as you can see, the feet of the players and coaches are still visible. Now I select the players in this row and click at the mask option, this icon here at the top toolbar. Now I can change how feeds are masked by adding a slide mask, and with these two sliders I can precisely control how much of the feeds are visible and how the gradient works. I believe this will be a good option. I click at OK, and this mask is applied to all the selected players. As you can see, now the bottom of the players looks very better, being beneath the smoke clip art. This is the mask feature in Team Photo Composite.